Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Mazda 3, stock number 6082. This ran from 05-2009 to the 10th 2013. It has an R2 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the R2 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, 2 dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear door, no dents. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front headlight. Right front guard, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy magnet tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gas stick, heater AC controls, factory 6-stick stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,